Benjamin, the smart retractable table for multiple uses. Delightfully easy to use, the Benjamin table is ready in 3 simple steps. It can be set up anywhere without limitations. Adjustable in terms of both its depth and its length, it fits into the surroundings of your choice at home as well as at work. This smart retractable table can be attached anywhere, depending on its intended use. At first glance, it will look like a drawer of the furniture on which it is installed, but open it up and a whole new table is revealed. The Benjamin table caters to multiple uses, varying depending on the needs of its surroundings. It is the optimal solution in cases where narrow space previously prohibited efficient use of the area. Let's look at some examples in greater detail. 1. A kitchen is where this table can be at its most useful, since it can take on various forms, serving as a main or auxiliary kitchen table, a cooking bench, an extra table for serving breakfast, a smaller or even larger desk for when you have company. 2. A children's room. No matter how cramped, easily hosts a small bookcase 31 to 35 centimeters deep, which thanks to this table can expand into an actual 60 to 70 centimeter long desk that your child can comfortably use for everyday studying. 3. In the living room. It can be fitted inside a bookcase to be pulled out whenever there is need for a desk. 4. In the master bedroom, the table can be easily fitted inside a vanity to be used as a small desk or even inside a wardrobe in the form of a narrow drawer where you can stack away the ironing board. 5. The Benjamin table is also a valuable asset for any workplace. It can be used as a simple workbench, though combining a series of these tables would definitely be beneficial for architects, for example. If an entire wall is covered by a massive bookcase, pull this table out and you'll immediately have a spacious surface to showcase your designs. Ease of installation is probably the greatest advantage of this unique table. No technical know-how is required, and it can be easily installed by following a set of DIY instructions. In just 30 minutes after opening the pack, it can be all set up and in place, ready to use. A money-saving solution. At a price amounting to almost 50% of that of similar tables using sliding mechanisms, the Benjamin table is the best solution for you, whatever use you may want. Increased load capacity. Its strength is unparalleled. This table can hold up to 100 kilos in weight without being affected in the slightest. This is indeed a unique attribute, considering that it has no support legs. What is more, using the right mechanisms, this load capacity can be doubled, making this product ideal for any use you might have in mind. Versatility, ease of installation, increased load capacity, money saving.